Welcome. And today I'm going to show you how I can connect Lovable project to Supabase. So it is pretty simple and easy to do, so let's get straight forward to the tutorial. So first of all, what you'll need to do is go straight to the right corner, as you can see, where the green icon is. And here you will need to connect to the Supabase. Click Connect Supabase, and as you can see, there's an Organizations tab. Click Connect Supabase. Here you will need to sign in and authorize your IP access for Lovable. So as you can see, I'm signing in with GitHub. Now what I need to do is just click Authorize Supabase. This should pop up like create a new organization. Here you will need to put your organization name. So I will put Guide to Everything and type for personal or free, as I said, and click Create Organization. And right here, after you create your organization, you will need to create your project name. So here you can name like your Guide to Everything blog site or whatever. So here you will name your website name or the project name. Here you will need to put database password. So I will click Generate it now. You can just copy it and paste it somewhere in the safe place, and the region for closest to your users for the best performance. Like this region will be closest to my users. And after that, here is the security options and advanced configuration if you want to change that, but usually it will be on the default and it is the best to leave on default. Now you will need to click Create New Project, and after that, what you will need to do is basically right here, go and refresh Lovable page. And as you can see, if you click again Connect to Supabase, it will show something like this. Click Authorize Lovable, and it will say that it is connecting to Supabase. As you can see, it is linked, and click Continue. Just click Connect, and Lovable and Supabase will be connected together. So that's pretty much it.